propanoic. That's going to be our final answer. All right, the next group is going to be an amine group, and that's a derivative of ammonia. And the way it's structured is it's going to be connected to the end of a carbon chain. It's just going to be NH2 at the end of a carbon chain. And the way you write the suffix is the alkyl, and then it's going to be dash amine or amine, however you pronounce it. But let's see what we're working with. So we have, first we're going to count the carbons. We have 1, 2. Then we got the NH2 or the amino group on the right. So 2, our prefix is ethyl. So that's going to be ethanamine. And that's our final answer. All right, next we have amide. And the only difference is that there's going to be a double bonding oxygen on top of the carbon that has the amino group connected to it. So first, let's write what the suffix will be. It's just going to be this but changed. So instead of amine, it's going to be amide. And this is how it looks. So let's count the carbons. 1, 2. Just like this, it has the prefix ethyl. And instead of ethanamine, it's going to be ethanamide. And that's our final answer. All right, the last functional group is called a halide. And basically, the halide functional group is basically when there are halogens from group 17 on the end of a carbon chain. So depending on what your halogen is going to change your naming of the carbon chain. But this time, instead of it being a suffix, it's going to be a prefix. So if you have chloro, if you have a chlorine, then you're going to drop the INE, and you're going to change that to RO. So it's going to be CHLORO dash, and then it's going to be the alkyl name. But let's see this in action. Let's count the carbons first. We have 1, 2, and then 3. So we know that's propane. That's propane because it's 3. And we see we have a carboxylic acid because it's double bonded oxygen, and then an alcohol group. So first we're going to write the acid because it has priority. Propanoic acid. And then we're just going to add the fluoro because it's a halide. So the final answer is going to be fluoropropanoic acid. I appreciate y'all for watching this. If I can improve, let a guy know. And yeah.